Okay, let's go.
I'm not gonna show y'all the whole crib, but this is a slight before. You know, nothing too crazy. You know, it's a little, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the aftermath, so y'all be back in a second. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you at in the world, man. So it's been a heck of a morning. I'm on the way to help.
Help Nougat Crunch.
What's good, everyone? So real quick, I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? Small channels matter. You know, I'm trying to grow my channel up and I'm getting better each time. So thank you all. Appreciate that very much. So today, this video, I'm gonna show y'all just real quick, you know, my experience having a house cleaner in South Korea. You know, growing up in the States, definitely did not have the luxury of, you know, having somebody to clean the house for us. You know, it was me and my brother. You know, we had to split up the chores growing up. So coming overseas, you know, this is like just a blessing to be able to even, number one, have that experience and to be able to afford it. So yeah, we've been getting our house clean for like 2 years now. And, you know, just at this point of our lives, man, it's just, you know, we got a lot going on. You know, I'm involved in a lot of things, as well as, you know, Kirsten. So, yeah, we just occasionally get the house clean. You know, it's not like we don't clean up after ourselves, but, you know, maybe after a couple weeks, you know, when it's time to get down to dirty, you know, we call Marie up, and she's very passionate about her job. So I just want to show y'all, you know, number one, the good work that she does, and number two, just kind of shed some spotlight on her, and number three, just, you know, just show that experience. A lot of people, you know, don't have that opportunity to get their house clean. So, you know, I had to sit back and remember, like, man, like, I have a house cleaner cleaning my house. Like, that's not normal, you know, like, especially, you know, growing up in the States, if you ain't come from money, you know. So it's been a bit of a rough morning, I should say. And here we go. You know, I tried to had a taxi pull up on her, you know, and scoop her up, you know, because we live a little bit further away. This is her first time cleaning our new house. So, you know, the taxi done dropped her off in the wrong neighborhood.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
So, you know, then I'm trying to pinpoint where she's at, having to use my navigation skills because her phone was locked out and she wasn't able to send me a pin. So a few minutes later, my phone had died while we was on the phone trying to figure that out. And then after that, I just, you know, decided to pick her up because I didn't want her out in the cold with all her cleaning supplies. So I dropped her off, you know, a few hours ago. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated, and yeah, I'm gonna let the work speak for itself, and y'all gonna hear from her too. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit.
7 hours later.
Laundry room put together. It's a blessing, man. It's a blessing, I'm telling you. Let me close this door right here. Okay, get the bathroom. Nice and clean. Back to the kitchen. We gotta go grocery shopping, but you see how everything nice and clean, no stains. You feels me? Take a look at the dishes. No dishes in sight. Everything organized. Man, oh man. Yeah, she did that. Stove clean. Wipe down action. Let's take a trip upstairs right quick. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Slight E room, you feel me? Got the section going on. Looking sweet. Hey, shout out to Marie, man. Ain't too many doing it like Marie. I'm about to get this little closet area. Yeah. She's amazing.
A few moments later.
Alright, what's going on, y'all? So I'm here with the one and only Marie, our house cleaner. So thank you so much for today. It's been a long day, but I just wanted to introduce her to y'all and, you know, just let her shed some light on her for a second. So if you don't mind just telling the people, you know, who you are and what you do.
Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Marie and welcome to South Korea.
Welcome to South Korea. So yeah, she's not from Korea, so she's from the Philippines. Right? So kamusta ka na?
Ah, amazing. That's very good.
She been cleaning our house for like the past 2 years.
Yeah.
She got to meet Kirsten's mom for the first time.
Yeah, she's lovely.
So what brought you to Korea from the Philippines?
Oh, just work.
Just work?
Yeah.
Okay.
Korea is lovely.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so where did your passion for cleaning develop?
Oh, I think it's within me because it started like at home, like back home. So when we grew up, my mom and my grandparents and my father, everything, and my brother, sister too, it's in the household. So I think I brought it up with me, like I keep it with me.
Yeah.
I like it clean and tidy and everything. It's my passion.
Yeah. And I could definitely tell, like, once I show y'all the house, like, the details, you know, she pays attention to all the details that stuff you don't even think about. So, you know, that's why I just kind of wanted to briefly introduce her. And she has a lot of referrals. You know, I've had a lot of people just in my network that say, oh yeah, I do know Marie. She cleans my house too. So she's well known out here. So if the people, you know, want to get a cleaning from you, how would they go about doing something like that?
All you gotta do is to ask him.
Ask me, right? Just come through me. Come through me. I'll pass the info. You know, I got to check in with her first.
Yeah.
Make sure, you know, you're worthy, you know. It's like, no, but yeah, she's good business. You know, if you do want to, you know, contact her, you know, just send me a message and, you know, I'll pass the info to her and then y'all can get situated. So
That's right. Hit him up.
we got some cars coming, but definitely appreciate you, Marie.
No problem.
You have a safe night. She has another cleaning she got to do tomorrow. So
Yep.
yeah, until next time, thank you.
Thank you so much.
And we'll see y'all soon. It was a journey today, but yeah, it was well worth it. You know, we had a little hiccup, but that ain't stopping nothing, because stuff won't get done when you got the right people in your circle. 10 out of 10, very satisfied. Like Marie said, you want to get in contact with her, you gotta get through me. So yeah, let me know if you want Asan, Pyeongtaek, Songtan, whatever the case may be. We'll get you situated. Till next time, y'all be safe. Peace.